Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, we just got this major report that Uber is launching huge new bonuses right now, so we're gonna get into it for drivers. And if you are a gig worker or if you want to get high-paying job offers, even if you're not a current gig worker, you can use the link below for Fetti, and within 2 minutes, you can enter your email and they'll send you a list of high-paying job offers that match your skills. You just need to answer a few questions. It's free and available nationwide. So Fetti is helping out our audience by giving you guys high-paying job offers. This is just for a limited time. So if you want to see that list of high-paying job offers for you, specifically, they're really changing the way that people get jobs, and you can apply to multiple jobs with one click for free. Link below for Fetti. And now let's get started. So this comes in from Reddit. Somebody just said this: I'm going hard this weekend. He said, usually the quests I get are dog poo. They really up the ante with this weekend though. And these screenshots are absolutely insane. And I didn't even realize what they're doing until I saw this. So this is a screenshot that we'll see. I'll just show this to you guys so you guys can see it and we're all on the same page. But this is from Friday morning to Monday morning. So in essence, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you can drive. And of course, you know, into the wee hours of the Monday morning night, Sunday night to Monday morning. But they're asking you, this guy, his name is Lighting Guru. He's aiming to do 90 trips with both Uber Eats and Uber rides. He's probably mostly doing rides. 90 trips in 3 days is absolutely ludicrous. What does Uber want this guy to do? Drive 12 hours a day? That's the only way you're gonna be able to do this. You can really only average 2 to 3 rides per hour, unless you're doing a bunch of small little Uber Eats rides, which I know a lot of people do end up doing, which I'm sure he's gonna try to have to do these a bunch of little $2, $3, $5 orders for Uber Eats. But he's gonna make an additional $695, which is basically $700 for doing 90 trips. So if you can really do 90 trips in 3 days, I mean, that's insane. That's insanity. I've never done that many trips in 3 days, ever. I think the most trips, normal trips I've ever done is like 25 in a single day, or 24. And that was crazy. I was like driving all day long. To do that 3 days in a row, he says, so somebody replied, say extra $7 a trip if you hit 90 trips for the weekend, 30 a day, doable but daunting. Lighting Guru said, that's exactly how I looked at it as well. I definitely can do it. I'm gonna be tired by the end of the weekend though. In my opinion, this guy is probably not, he's probably gonna try to do it, but he's probably not gonna hit those quest bonuses. That's how Uber tricks drivers into driving like basically, I mean, I don't wanna like say anything mad or it's gonna get me in trouble, but it's like kind of like slave work because there's no overtime pay. The only way you're gonna hit this is if you drive more than 8 hours. I mean, if you did 8 times 3, which is what, 24, can you do 90 trips in 24 hours? You would have to do three, basically almost 4 trips per hour, which is absolutely insane for 24 hours consistently. I've never even heard of a driver doing 4 trips per hour. I mean, especially when you get like hour-long rides, you'd have to deny the long-paying rides. So yeah, I mean, it's just, I feel like Uber is like going way too far in trying to get people to work overtime, and obviously they're not getting, well, their overtime pay is the bonus. So, I mean, a lot of drivers are saying like this is a really good quest, and especially these full-time areas. So, whoa, what area is this? Just kidding, you answered it 3 times. You figure people can read. Good luck, start early and pace yourself. Dang, all I get is $60 for 40 rides, an additional $5 for 10 more rides. My city doesn't get quests at all. Luckily, you in LA market, they already brought that amount of money to make extra, and that SH is trash compared to number of trips. Yeah, so this is, I believe, in LA. Yeah, I believe this is in Los Angeles. So I want to hear from you guys. Would you go after that? Again, I'll just show the different options that they give. So these are the normal ones, so you can do the strategy, or the lower paying ones right here. You can take a look at that. And then here are the higher paying ones. So let me comment below which one would you go after? What would be your strategy if you were given these? This is current, this just came out. He's gonna try to go for it this Friday. It's Wednesday today, so we'll see. It would be very interesting to see if he can hit that, but otherwise, guys, let me know your thoughts on this one. And again, sign up for Fetti, link below, enter your email, and they'll send you high-paying job offers within 2 minutes. And it's free anywhere in the country, and you can click the remote option if you'd like, and a lot of gig workers are getting a lot of money with Fetti, so check it out. Otherwise, we'll talk soon.